Hello students, as previous video we discussed division of integers. In this video we will discuss about division of fraction and decimals. As you know before, division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Now we will discuss about decimal. Dividing a decimal number by a whole number. A decimal number has a whole number part and the fractional part separated by a dot. The dot is called decimal point. 21.48 is the value, decimal value. 21 is the whole part and 0.48 is the decimal part. These conditions you need to understand clearly. For example, 14.6 divided by 2. Here we have decimal value, here we have whole number. As it is the whole division, what we did, the same thing we will do in decimal value also. So what we will do here, we will see here 14.8 is the dividend, here 2 is the divisor. Now in two tables, how many times 1 will come? It will not come. So two values we are taking here. 2 sevens are 14. So 14 minus 14 is 0. Here point we have, so we will keep here point. Then this value we will take here. Two tables, 3's are 6. So balance is 0. So quotient equal to 7.3. Remainder equal to 0 we are getting in this problem. In the same way, we will go to next problem. 50.7 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor. In 6 table, 6 8's are 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. So here we need to write 8.7 we need to keep down. Here 6 4's are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 0. Quotient equal to 8.4. Remainder equal to 3. In next example, division of two decimal values, how to solve we will see here. Given value is 2.198 divided by 0.07. So here 0.07 dividend and divisor. Here we need to convert this into whole number. Here after point we have two values. So here 1 and 2. So 7 will come here. The same way what we are doing here. Here also the same two values we are doing here. So after point 1, 2. So 219.8 divided by 7. Now cancelling method we can do here. 7 tables, 7 ones are 7. Here 7 3's are 21. So any possibilities are there next? Here 9 we have. In 7 tables, 7 ones are 7. Balance 2. Here point we have, so we will write here point here. Here 2. In 7 tables, 28 how many times? 7 4's are 28. Once again I will say the pointing is very important here. So here left to right we are going means the same thing we have to do here. So here after point 1 2, so 7.0 also we can write. See any number we are taking, suppose 3 we are taking means 3.00 we can write. Now quotient equal to 31.4. Going to the next problem, 37.5 divided by 10. Numerator as well as denominator I am writing. Numerator value is 37.5, that is dividend. Denominator value is 10. Okay. Now in 10 tables, what we can do? 10 ones are 10. Here 37 we have. In 10 table, 10 3's are 30. Next here balance 7. So here point we have, we will write here point. Here 75 we have. In 10 table, nearest value is what? 10 7's are 70. So balance 5. 50 if you write. 10 5's are 50. So what is the answer you are getting here? 3.7. 37.5. Here some unique thing we have, right? The question is 37.5. You are getting here 3.75. What is the relation? Here we will see in the tip. An integer or decimal when divided by 10, 100, 1000, so on, then the point or dot shift left with respect to the number of zeros. Example 2.4 divided by 10. As we seen here, the decimal when divided by 10, 100, 1000, then the point or dot shift left with respect to number of zeros. So 2.4 divided by 10, we have 1 0. So the dot we need to shift to 1 times. So here 0.24. The answer is 0.24. Clear? The same way, the next example 2.44 divided by 100. Here how many zeros we have? 2 zeros. So 2 times we need to shift. So 1, 2. So here 0.0244. The answer is 0.0244. So coming to next problem, 3.543 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So 3 times we need to shift 1, 2, 3 like that. So you add here 0, 0. So how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 0.003543 is the final answer. Only it will applicable on 10, 100, 1000, so on. Going to next tip. What if there are no digits to shift dot? Example 2 divided by 1000. So here after 2 we have point, so we can write 2.00, or before also we have 0. So that's why 20000 we written here divided by 1000. Here how many zeros we have? You have to see here 3 zeros we have, right? So that's why, so from right side to left side I am going 1, 2, 3. So 0.002. Here we have 3 zeros. After point we have 3 values. It has to finish. So the answer is 0.002. I hope everyone understood division of decimal. Next we will go to dividing a fraction. Dividing a fraction is the same as multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal or inverse of the other. We get the reciprocal of fraction by interchanging its numerator as well as denominator. Example 2 by 3, 3 by 2. 2 by 3 is a fraction. What we need to do here is 3 by 2. Reciprocal we have to do. We will go to the topic. The fraction divides by integer. Example 2 by 3 divided by 5. So here 2 by 3 divided by the integer value. The integer value is 5. So 2 by 3 by 5 by the denominator I am writing 5 by 5, we can write as 5 by 1 also. So 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 1. Here 2 by 3 is numerator, 5 by 1 is denominator. But in this 2 by 3, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. In denominator, 5 is numerator, 1 is denominator. Now 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. How this 1 by 5 came means 5 by 1, if it is coming here into multiplication, that is I already said division is inverse of multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 5 by 1 it is coming to this side means, so into 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 3 into 5. 2 ones are 2. 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 15 is the final answer. Next, fraction divides by decimal number. So here the fraction value 5 by 2 we have, it's divided by a decimal value 2.5. Now what it is happening here, we will see here. So 5 by 2 divided by 2.5 by 1 I am writing here. So equal to 5 by 2 divided by 2.5 divided by 1, we can write as 2.5 into 10 by 10. Here decimal value I am converting into fraction. So 5 by 2 divided by 25 by 10. So here numerator, denominator. This is numerator, denominator. Denominators, numerator, denominator, denominator. So we know division is inverse operation of multiplication. So 5 by 2 into 10 by 25. This 10 will come here, 25 will come here. So next step, 5 into 10 by 2 into 25. In two tables, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Here 5 tables, 5 ones are 5 5s are. Again 5 tables, 5 ones are 5 ones are. So remaining 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 1. The final answer is 1. This is the final answer. Subtopic, fraction divides by a fraction. So a fraction number will divide by a fraction means what it will happen, we will see here. 4 by 3 divided by 24 by 6. The next step, 4 by 3 into 6 by 24. So here 24 by 6 we are taking reciprocal, then 4 by 3 into 6 by 24. So now we can solve here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. Again we can solve here. We can reduce the value. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So the remaining value is 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 3. So 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. So 1 by 3 is the final answer. I hope you all understood what we learned today, division of fraction and decimal. I hope you will answer correctly in the today's test. Thank you.